In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect Google Form to Google Sheets. So let's get started. So here's a form which I made like 2 years ago. It was based on a survey on a school project, and I got quite a good amount of responses, as you can see, 50 responses, okay? Now, now to link this to Google Sheet, it's quite simple. So as you can see now, if you go ahead and try to analyze the responses from the response tab right here, it's quite difficult. Like it's not organized properly, all right? So I have 50 responses, and it's going to be quite a hassle to go through all of them in such an unorganized manner. So there's such an easy way to link it to Google Sheets where you can see everything in an organized manner in rows and columns, okay? So just go ahead and click on this option, link to sheets. Now here you'll have two options. You could either create a new spreadsheet and you can go ahead and name it here, or you could select an existing spreadsheet. So let's see how both of them work. Now, the new spreadsheet is relatively simple. You can just go ahead and give it a name. Let's just say PMM, Perpetual Motion Machine, and you can just go ahead and click on create. Now you can see the magic. Just wait a second. And there you go. As you can see, all the information from 50 people has been condensed in this Google Sheet right here. And you can see that there are 51 columns, and that's because the first column is the headings. So you have all the 50 responses, and you can go ahead and read through them. Now, obviously, you can go ahead and format this as well. And this could be, for example, a site sheet or a response sheet to an alternative Google form, because like it's easier to read the data if you want to send it to someone. So you can go ahead and format this if you want. And if you want to read the whole thing, you could just go ahead and double click on this bar right here. And as you can see, you can read the entire response if you want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do Control Z to close that up. And yeah, so that's how you can create a new spreadsheet. Now, let's say you wanna go ahead and put it into an existing spreadsheet. I'm just gonna go ahead and unlink and link again. So I'm just going to click on select existing spreadsheet. And then from here, you can go ahead and select any spreadsheet you wish to. As you can see, this is the one I made right now. And I have quite a few other spreadsheets right here. You can just go ahead and import this data into one of these spreadsheets if you wish to. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.